Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear food lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Preparing creamy curd rice becomes easier when every ingredient is measured accurately. That's where the curd rice recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Curd rice is a traditional South Indian comfort food made with soft cooked rice, fresh curd, milk, and flavorful tempering. Commonly enjoyed for lunch or dinner, it's especially popular during hot weather and widely served across South India. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. This makes it convenient for both small family meals and larger gatherings. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation and cooking times, course, diet type, difficulty, calories, and the boil and temper method. You'll also find cooking notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, protein, and carbohydrates. Add optional ingredients like grated carrot, pomegranate, coriander, or cashew to bring extra flavor, texture, and variety to your curd rice. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities based on the number of persons you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete process, from cooking the rice to adding the tempering. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, wash the rice thoroughly and cook it with extra water until it becomes soft and mushy. Allow the cooked rice to cool completely, then mash it lightly with a spoon. Add the milk, fresh curd, and salt, then mix everything together until the rice develops a creamy consistency. For the tempering, heat oil or ghee in a small pan and add mustard seeds, urad dal, and chana dal. Add the ginger, green chili, curry leaves, and hing, then cook briefly to bring out their flavors. Pour the prepared tempering over the curd rice, then mix gently until everything is well combined. For the best results, use soft cooked rice and fresh curd, as recommended in the cooking note. Serve it chilled or at room temperature, accompanied by pickle, papad, or fried chili for a traditional combination. Popular across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, curd rice is commonly served in homes, temples, and restaurants. With the right measurements and simple preparation, you can enjoy a comforting homemade curd rice with confidence every time. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.